calcium in our body. If calcium is not absorbed in our body, there will be less amount of calcium in our body, which may lead to osteoporosis. Eating disorders. Eating disorders like anorexia and bulimia etc. may also cause osteoporosis because there can be less amount of calcium intake. In fact, not getting sufficient amount of calcium can also have lasting effect on how strong women bones. Sufficient amount of calcium can also have bones are in later part of life. So eating disorders may also lead to osteoporosis among women athletes. Bad eating habits. Various research studies indicate that intake of caffeine, alcohol, tobacco, smoking, etc. may also lead to osteoporosis. Indeed, these products have a negative impact on women on bone density. Amenorrhea. Amenorrhea is a menstrual disorder or illness in females in which females of 18 years and above either never begin menstruating or there is an absence of menstruation for 3 months or more than that in females with a history of normal menstrual cycle. Amenorrhea can also be defined as cessation of women's menstrual cycle more than 3 months or more. Types of amenorrhea. There are two types of amenorrhea: primary and secondary. Primary amenorrhea is characterized by delayed menarche, which is onset of first period during puberty. Secondary amenorrhea: a woman having her natural menstrual cycle at a specific time and then stop menstruating for 3 months or more is said to have secondary amenorrhea. There are various factors which may inspire or enhance the chances of amenorrhea. These factors are stated below. Hormonal changes. Owing to some hormonal changes such as change in output of gonadotrophic hormone may lead to amenorrhea. In fact, gonadotrophic hormone stimulates the growth of gonads and the secretion of sex hormones. This hormone actually plays a vital role in stimulating estrogen and estrogen release from ovaries. If it does not release estrogen, the menstrual cycle is disrupted or stopped in female, causing amenorrhea. Intensive exercise. There are maximum chances of amenorrhea to female athletes, especially to long distance runners, swimmers and gymnasts. In fact, such athletes perform intensive exercise or training which usually leads to decrease in estrogen, which is mainly responsible to regulate the menstrual cycle in females. As a result, a female's period may become irregular or stop. Intensive exercise may lead to primary amenorrhea and secondary amenorrhea. Intake of less calories. If a female athlete takes less number of calories in comparison to her requirements, she may lead to amenorrhea. In fact,